everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic South Indian style spiced coconut spread or dip, also known as Thengai Thogayal. A Thogayal is different from a chutney in that the spices are roasted and grinded along with the fresh ingredients. The consistency is also a lot thicker than a chutney. So let's get cooking. For the Thengai Thogayal, here I have 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. This is frozen coconut that I've thawed, but if you have access to the fresh version, please use that. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of urad dal or white lentils, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 4 dried Kashmiri red chilies. If your chilies are spicy, you can just use 2. 1 fresh Thai chili, a 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, and a 2 centimeter diameter sphere of tamarind. You can substitute this with 1/2 teaspoon of tamarind paste instead. In a pan here on medium-high heat, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of unrefined coconut oil. Coconut oil amplifies the coconut flavor of this Thogayal, but you can also use regular cooking oil if you don't have access to it. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add the mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Once the seeds splutter, I'm going to add the urad dal and cook for around 30 seconds. I'm going to break the Kashmiri red chilies to release the flavor and add it along with the roughly chopped Thai chili. I'm also going to add in the curry leaves and the hing. Now all we want to do is mix this mixture till the lentils turn to a reddish brown color, which should take around 2 minutes. After this, I'm going to switch off the element and add in the coconut and tamarind ball and give everything a quick mix. Once the mixture cools down, I'm going to transfer all of the contents to a blender jar, salt to taste, and I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of water to blend. We don't want this mixture to be too runny, so 2 tablespoons of water should be good. As you can see, the Thogayal has a nice, thick and almost coarse consistency, and this is what we want. You can pair this Thogayal with steaming hot dosas, as a spread for rotis or wraps, or as a delicious mixture for hot rice with some sesame oil. Pairing in rice mixed with Thogayal and sesame oil with a South Indian stew is a classic, simple South Indian meal. You can also store this mixture in a glass airtight container in the fridge for around 2 to 3 days. Please let me know in the comments if you try out this recipe and what you ended up pairing it with. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And I'll see you next time with another dish. Bye!